Hi everyone, welcome to this lecture. In this lecture, you are going to learn if statement basic, how to prepare and how to write if statement in Python programming language we'll learning here. So let's create a Python file name called if statement. If statement, hit enter. So the page is created. Comment line I am preparing here for better understanding. So the if statement. So here if statement to be verifies the conditions to check which direction you want to go for an action. Whether if it is true it will go one way, if it is false it will go some another way. So this way let's see, let's check a great example. Like if it is hot day, I'm verifying the temperature. If it is hot means it's a true or false. I said that it's a true. I'm implying that it's a hot day and drink plenty of water. The same simple information I'm verifying. So my variable is has hot. True. True. It's a capital letter we need to take. Yes, true. So has hot is a variable. I'm assigning true is a boolean expression to this variable. So now if the condition I'm verifying, performing the condition based on the condition how it is goes, let's check using if statement. If has, not has, we'll take is hot, not has, conveniently we'll put is hot. Okay, yeah, is underscore hot. What says that if is hot is true, what we call it as print statement called it's a hot day, and one more statement I call it as drink plenty of water. That's it. So let's see if I run this program. So what I am getting, I'm performing. See, is hot, if is hot is true. So it is a true already I have assigned here. So if is hot is true, so it is entering into this block of code. In Python when you put some colon and hitting enter, this is the standard syntax. This is the space, it is called indentation. Python will follow the indentation. If you written indentation means it comes under this Python if condition block. Okay, so this code is printing it is a hot day, it is entering into the block and it is executing. So if I am changing this false, let's check. It's a false, no, it won't enter into the block. So it's empty, nothing is here. So I want to see if it is false. Even I want to see some statement means outside the block means 0 position. I'm writing a print statement called it's great day. It's a simply I have written a great day outside the block of Python, like a print like if statement. So run it. If it is false, anyhow I'm getting it's great day. See, this great day outside the if condition block. See, the indentation when we are writing in the same line, we'll get the output if it is true only. Otherwise, we won't get the, if it is true, the cursor is going to be inside. It's entering into the block and it will execute these lines. If it is not true, it won't enter into the if block. It will directly exit from the if condition and the next line it will read the compiler. So if I change it to true, what happens? All 3 lines will get now. It is entered into the block. So it is true. It is entered into the block and it is going to be out perfectly. So in the same way, we'll see else example in our next lecture. Thank you.